Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with our alloy rims, chrome grille and chrome rear bumper. We also have a V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, rear privacy tint, black leather heated and cooled seating for front passengers, as well as our backup camera and sunroof. Now moving on to the interior of the Sierra, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our memory seat option, chrome door handle, close handle, wooden trim, and we have our window and mirror controls with our power mirror fold-in, Bose speaker down below, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment with lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake, 4-wheel drive system, daytime running light controls, as well as our interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster with digital screen in the middle. Controls for that are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left we have our cruise control, front collision alert and heated steering wheel option. Denali badging in the middle. The wheel is wrapped in black leather with gray stitching on the underside. We have our heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Infotainment screen which displays our audio, as well as navigation and projection for our phone, which acts as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We shift the vehicle on into reverse. You can see we have our adaptive guidelines on a reverse camera. Radio controls below that, as well as CD player. Climate controls, dual zone. Then we have our pedal adjustment, traction control, truck bed lighting, park assist, lane departure warning, hill descent assist, and our power extendable running boards, on or off. Below that is 2 USB ports, 2 12-volt charging ports, and a 3-prong power outlet. Center area, we have 2 cup holders and storage, padded leather center console lid with our remote charging port for our phone. Inside we have our 2 USB ports, auxiliary input, as well as another 12-volt charging port. So we have 3 12-volt charging ports and 4 USBs up front, as well as a 3-prong outlet and remote charging pad. So plenty of charging options in the front. The front seats are featured in black leather with Denali badging in the headrest, gray stitching, and perforated leather in the lower portion. And again, these are heated and cooled seats up front. On the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, as well as our rear sliding window controls, and our sunglass holder, and our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims, GMC badge center caps. We also have our Denali badging in chrome mirror caps and door handles, power extendable running boards, and then our rear privacy tint. Down to the back we have our bumper steps, Sierra and Denali badging. Taking a look inside of the truck bed, we have our full line truck bed with Denali badging at the front. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Sierra, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our black foam. We also have our chrome door handle, window switch, black leather, as well as our storage and speaker. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console we have another 12-volt charging port and storage. The rear seats are featured in the same black leather we saw up front with perforated leather. And our fold-down center seat features 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.